Let's also take the conversation about the markets then forward with our guest today. Akshay Bhagwat, Senior Vice President, Derivatives Research at JM Financial Services, is joining us right now. Akshay, hi there. Just tell us a little more about what you're making about the current trade that we've seen in the day gone by then.
Good afternoon. Thanks for having me on the show. Look, it's been 15 odd trading sessions that markets have been stuck in a trading range. The upper band of the range is 24,500 and the support is, as of now, is 23,800. But still, there is no signs of reversal. It is just that things have cooled off. Majority of the events which the market was looking forward to have been done and dusted. The negative part is that still the FIIs are on a selling spree. I think the November month is already 15,000 crores of selling. The good part is India VIX has cooled down. So it's a mix of good and bad events all coming together. The markets are looking for fresh cues. But strictly from a technical perspective, if you were to look at the indices, still the broader trend is slightly on the negative side. The support is in the making, but no confirmations as at yet. If 24,500 breaks and sustains, that will be the first sign that market is trying to stage a comeback. Till then, trade the range, sell at resistance and buy at support. That's how the markets are going to trade.
Akshay, 24,500 looks very far where at the moment we are trading at. But then where do you see the margin of safety, or maybe the kind of short covering trend we saw on banks? Would you be buyers in banks, or otherwise, what would be your specific trades?
Actually, the market breadth is broadly still negative. If you broadly sum it up the way the last couple of days have gone by, almost you can say 70% of stocks are still bleeding. The sectors are still seeing a steep sell-off. Every rise is being sold into. Yes, banks in pockets have seen some bit of buying action here and there, but still there is no conclusive evidence that, there is going to be a strong directional move in the banking sector as yet. Even if you were to look at the Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty has had its moments of glory on single days when the Bank Nifty was up almost around 1,000 points of 4 trading sessions back. But clearly the level of 52,500 here is a resistance. So, it's more about short-term trading, more of day trading as one can look at the current setup in the markets. Really, Bank Nifty still is in a range 51,000 on the lower end and 52,500 on the upper end. It's again just about trading the range, sell at support, sell at buy at support and sell on resistance. That's how the price setup is. So be with the range bound setup, still there is no definite conclusion about any major reversal or uptrend in place in the Bank Nifty as such at the given situation.
Akshay, of course, we'll have to wait and watch for both the indices. So any specific trades that you're picking at this moment?
Yes. So if you're keen on the buy side of trade, there are opportunities both on the shorting and the buy side. So here, if you're keen on the buy side, my setup here in Titan works very well because it's an excellent risk-reward payoff I'm looking at. Titan has shown good demand from its support zone of 3,100. So we have seen some bit of buying action combined with good volumes and delivery-based buying at the supports. So it's a good trading setup where if the stock does stage some bit of a recovery or reversal, you can see targets of 3,350 or 3,400 in the making from a short-term trading perspective. So Titan would be buy bet in the current market circumstance. 3,050 is the stop loss which you need to maintain on this buy trade. And if you're looking for shorting bets, then from the FMCG pack, it has to be Nestle India, which has already staged a negative breakdown a few trading sessions back. The level was at 2,350. Last few trading sessions have been range bound, but I believe the momentum can return back on the negative side because the trend is negative. Looking at downside targets of around 2,100 odd from a positional perspective. Stop loss you can maintain around 2,345 on this sell trade.
Keeping an eye on that negative momentum and that negative trend returning. Thank you so much for taking time out and joining us today, Akshay.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.